welcome to the studio. I am so glad you're here. Today we're going to be practicing our drawing skills by drawing a very cute little dragon. Are you ready? I am. Let's make it. We're going to start this drawing with a circle for our dragon's head. Awesome! Now we're going to make a half circle for our dragon's snout or nose. Cute! How about two little circles and a half circle for its nostrils and its mouth? This is a happy dragon we're drawing here today. I'm going to draw two circles for the eyes and then fill those in with half circles for the pupil of the eye. And I like to leave a little white just for a little shine. Now for the body of our dragon. I'm going to draw two lines straight down and curve them in toward the bottom. Watch. Now I'm going to round them out to make the arms of our dragon, who will be sitting down in this drawing. And then just follow them straight up. Round it out for the dragon's belly, and then we can add some stripe detail if we want to. Time for some feet. I'm going to draw two circles, and then I'm going to surround them, mostly by a circle, but I'm going to put 3 triangles on top. Just like that. Oh, this is so cute! One of the most exciting things I would think about being a dragon is having wings. Yeah, you could fly all around. Let's add wings on this guy. Now I'm gonna add some little dragon-y ears. In my imagination, that's what dragon ears look like. And maybe some dragon spikes. I think this dragon is so cute. Let's color him in. There he is, our little dragon. What do you think this dragon's name should be? How about Spike? Love it. And I love drawing with you. If you were a dragon and you could fly all over the world, I wonder where you would go. I think, come visit your town. That would be so fun. If you want to draw or make more things together, like this video, subscribe to this channel. Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. And I'll see you next time.